Hello everyone! 皆さんこんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。今日も日本語レッスン頑張りましょう。In this lesson, you will learn the particle が。Let's get started. So the particle が indicate that the word before it, the topic of the sentence, use が when information about the subject is important or situationally new to the listener and or the speaker. So that's the when to use the が. Let's have a look some example sentences. Repeat after me. 天気が良いです。So that means the weather is good. 天気 is the weather. 天が良い is a good です。Or you can drop this in formal Japanese. So that's the が良い good. But what is good about 天気? So 何々が良い. We use it が here. Next sentence. 温泉が好きです。Repeat after me. 温泉が好きです。So が好き often used with が好き is so 温泉 means hot spring. So if you want to say I like hot spring, that's the sentence. Repeat after me. 温泉が好きです。Or you can drop this. So that means simply 温泉が好き。Let's look at the other example sentence. この車が私のです。Do you know what this sentence means? この車。So this kanji is 車。車 means cars. Then 私の means mine. So this car is mine. We use it が here because let's look at these pictures. There are many other cars. So there are many other options, but among a lot of cars, this is my car. So you want to emphasize. That's why we use the が here. Let's practice. Repeat after me. この車が私のです。はい。Okay, so let's try the in translation exercise. There's a park. How would you say this? So the answer is 公園があります。Repeat after me. 公園があります。The next one. There's a man. How would you say this? スタート。The answer is 男の人がいます。So the previous sentence we used the があります。But here がいます。So what's the difference between あります、います？あります is used when the what's the present is inanimate or does not move by itself, things that plants and places. So that's a park or the places. So that's why we use the あります。So います is used for people and animals. Something that move themselves. So you can include insects as well. がいます。Okay, let's practice both pronunciation with a normal style. Repeat after me. 公園があります。男の人がいます。The next sentence. Do you like cat? How would you translate this? スタート。 So the answer is 猫が好きですか? So we use a ですか. If you're not sure ですか, please watch other lesson videos. Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. 猫が好きですか? A little bit faster. 猫が好きですか? Good. Okay, so we learned how to use the ga with some example sentences. Let's practice. Again, repeat after me. 天気が良いです。温泉が好きです。この車が私のです。公園があります。男の人がいます。猫が好きですか? Okay, so that's for today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. またね。